how to use Google Bard AI Chatbot. So this is going to be the fully released version. To access it, all you will need to do is type in Google Bard AI Chatbot or something similar into Google. Then you want to click on this link here, or you can go directly to bard.google.com. Then you want to click on Try Bard at the bottom right hand corner of the bard.google.com web page. There you will need to scroll down, then click Agree to access the full version, and then click Continue in the middle of the screen there. And then you can go ahead and use the Google Bard AI chatbot, kind of similar to how you would do ChatGPT. So for example, you want to go ahead and type in a prompt. So I'm going to say, can you help me write a generic cover letter? Then it will take a few seconds before it pops up with an answer. It's a bit more like a search instead of like the chatbot that you find on ChatGPT, but it's still quite similar. So please do leave a like on the video if it helped you out and subscribe for more helpful videos.